Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. 2025 has basically come to an end, so I thought that I should sit down and share with you guys my 25 favorites from 2025 but Amazon edition. I think it's no secret that I am kind of in love with Amazon. I'm obsessed with that app and you guys keep telling me in the comments that I have a different algorithm and I'm able to find unique products. I don't completely agree to it, but I hope that it's true for today's video so that you can find some unique new products that I have been loving this year. Before we get started with today's video, I do want to say that please subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 1 million. I really want to hit it this year. So please subscribe. Okay, now that you've subscribed, let's get started. So as per usual, we have a little bit from every category. I think I'm going to start from the lifestyle and health category. So this year, I've started doing yoga. I have done yoga in the past as well, but this year I've done the most amount consistently. And when I started doing yoga, obviously I wasn't as flexible as I would want to be. So my yoga teacher told me to buy a bunch of yoga blocks. This is what they look like. I actually had no idea what yoga blocks are. Essentially, they're these blocks, these foam blocks, but very sturdy blocks that, by the way, come in a bunch of cute colors. Of course, I've gone with pink. These kind of help you with support and to really get a deeper stretch. I think other than a nice yoga mat, this is really an essential. And I have been using these quite a lot and I think you should try them out if you're someone who does yoga. I think I'm going to quickly show you guys this drink before I finish it up. So this is what my protein shake looks like. Doesn't taste the best, but I think I've just gotten used to it. So it is from this brand which is called Cosmix and it is their Indonesian cacao. Gives 26 grams of protein. This is plant protein. I can't do whey protein. It's a little too heavy for me. So this is the one that I am using. Now this is not the first time that I'm talking about this brand. I have tried their blue color ka ek protein powder hai. I'm not sure what the flavor is, but I absolutely despised that powder. And I will say that this is very similar in terms of the texture, the chalky texture that it leaves in your mouth. But I would say its flavor is better than that. Not much better, just better than that. I've tried quite a few protein powders out there, specifically plant proteins, and I feel like this one is the best one out there. Still not great, but it's quite doable. I am primarily a vegetarian, so to get my protein intake done, a protein shake is really useful. So I have been taking this pretty consistently. With this one, I want you guys to hear me out. So this is some Vastu salt. I use this to take a bath once a week. So you can use this for a bunch of different reasons. You can use this to detox. You can use this to relax your muscles. I personally use this for cleansing and removing nazar almost. So मुझे बहुत सारे reels आ रहे थे about how you should take a bath with salt and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And what I do, how I use this is I take a regular bath, a regular shower, and then right before I'm gonna step out, I'll take some salt in a jug, let the salt dissolve, and then I'll pour it on my body from my shoulders to my feet. If you want to make this even more of an experience, you can add some camphor to it. You can add a bunch of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus and it makes it smell so nice. I think using salt to cleanse your aura or to get rid of that negative energy is a very common thing. And I feel like it's one of those things that if you believe in it, it's true. If you don't, it's whatever. So yeah, I personally use it. Oh, I actually have one more drink. So this is peppermint tea. How cute is the packaging? So cute. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. So I actually started drinking peppermint tea when I got married. No, when I was prepping for the wedding because I was told that it's good for the skin and it's also going to help you like really calm down. It smells amazing. This one in particular has these eco-friendly tea bags and as I said, it tastes delicious, it smells delicious, and I don't know about calming myself down or helping me with my skin. I just personally really enjoy this in the afternoons. I don't want to say quit coffee because I feel like I will have coffee every now and then, but I don't want to consume it like an everyday drink because as you guys know, black coffee is a big thing, was a big thing in my life, and I've been told to cut it down. I used to have 1 cup every single day. So I'm gonna have a few throughout the year. So right now what I'm thinking is that I'm allowed to have a couple of coffees throughout the year, but not one every single day. So मुझे शाम को 4 बजे थोड़ी सी craving होती है, I'm not gonna lie. So that is when I'll make a nice cup of peppermint tea and it just kind of curbs that craving. Okay, I have literally just one fashion item because Amazon fashion is a very hit or miss for me. More so miss, I'm gonna be honest. I have tried a lot of products from Amazon in the fashion category and they've been quite unsuccessful. Next year, I'm gonna try harder. But this year, a find that I really like is this one right here. It's a teddy jacket. Is that what it's called? It feels so soft. It's such great quality. The fit is very, very good. The zipper is great. The color is great. It comes in a few more colors, by the way. But yeah, I really enjoyed it and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, on to a few electronics. So I have this one particular light that I used to film. I think I'm just gonna roll the clip to show you how good it is. This is a portable light which I have recommended to so many creator friends of mine. This is called the Ulanzi light. मैं exact model number नीचे छोड़ दूंगी. But this is something that you can use obviously to light up your face. Right now I have a huge light on top, which is why iska effect itna dikh nahi raha hai. Okay, so I'm gonna switch this light off so that you can see how powerful this light is. Okay, so I'm gonna come closer. Usually when it's a tighter frame, it works so well. Dude, should I just shoot the whole video in this light? Kitna acha lag raha hai. Should I restart? Bro, ye vibe hai. Yup, I literally have reshot the whole video because of these lights right here. I just love the vibe that it has created. But I'm also just coming close to show you how beautifully this lights up the face. I love it, especially for like makeup videos. So just one single light is actually quite powerful, but I personally own 3 of these and I'll use one on my left, one on my right, and then one above. And it just lights up my face so well. And I feel like makeup videos especially need good lighting, right? And these lights are just beautiful. I feel like if you're a content creator who doesn't want to invest in a big softbox, because softboxes can be expensive and also they're not easy to travel with, it's so bulky, these are a great addition. I want to talk about this portable charger right here. This is from the brand called Lifelong. Again, this comes in a few different colors. I went with this cute lavender. Why I love it is because not only does it charge, like give you multiple charges, but it has an inbuilt cord right here. I feel like my biggest struggle with portable charger was to carry a wire along with it. I just thought that it was so taxing, honestly. This is just one thing that you need. इसके साथ सिर्फ एक ही दिक्कत है जो हर portable charger के साथ होती है, that you have to charge it. I'm like the worst person at charging things, especially my phone. So I need a portable charger to charge my phone on the go. And this one's pretty good. I love it. It has like every kind of charger right here. I mean, it has every kind of wire right here. The very last electronic item is something that I've spoken about a lot, but it's again used so much even in 2025. It's a disposable camera, single-use camera. I blanked out for a second. It's one of those like OG cameras where you like take pictures and you can't see what picture you've taken, but you get it developed and it's a really cute surprise. So I love taking these, especially with me on trips, because of course phone पे हम photos तो खींचते ही है, camera पे भी खींचते हैं, but इस पे you get like raw, real emotions, and I love the process of getting them developed because you don't know what you're gonna find in it. I've tried quite a few disposable cameras, by the way, and this Kotak brand is the best one out there. And if you buy it in a bulk, like a set of 4, a set of 2, it's obviously gonna be more affordable. The next product is the most random one. I don't know कौन से category में fit होगा, but I feel like you need this product in your life. If you're like me, if you're someone who uses a lot of products, or honestly, even if you just use toothpaste every single day, invest in this. I feel like if you buy one, you're never gonna need to buy another one. So it is a product squeezer. You put your tube in here and then you squeeze every drop of the product out. I used to be someone who used to cut the tubes open and then मैं उंगली से सब कुछ scrape out करती थी. And it's a messy process, you know. So this I have been loving. I use it so much and I highly recommend it. I think let's do some home decor because Amazon has the best home decor if you look for it. Okay, so the first product is, I would say, like a unique one. I'm dropping too many things today. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a lamp, and sure, you could use it like a lamp, but this is a candle warmer. You can put your candle in here and you can switch this on, and it's supposed to make your candle even more potent and smell stronger. I personally have been using this almost like a DIY room freshener. Then we have this candle stand right here. I love vintage things, right? You guys know that. And I have been really into that Parisian aesthetic where there are a lot of these like vintage candles, and I've been looking for one of these for a while. I feel like this would just look so pretty on like a dining table or honestly anywhere. It's such good quality. It was quite reasonable and I'm really happy with this find. It's the end of the year. I have been decluttering, organizing everything. So I want to share a few organizers. This is a new organizer that I found on Amazon. Again, this comes in a few different colors. It has this beautiful velvet finish. Again, obviously I went for pink, and you can do a bunch of like, you can do earrings, you can do necklaces. I really like this for rings because I would just like put all of my rings in like one container, and then you can't really see everything, right? So you can put everything here, lay it out. So I'm really excited for these, but right off the bat, the quality seems amazing. Oh, and then we of course have these classic acrylic organizers that I use for my makeup. I actually found one more for lipsticks, and that one has been a game changer because you can literally organize every single lipstick. You can see every single lipstick. Iske pehle I used to put all of my lipsticks in this, and again it would just like get mixed up. You can't see everything. You would just use things from the top. These I like to use for my makeup. So like I'll put individual blushes, individual foundations. Very pretty looking. Like मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो acrylic वाला aesthetic. Oh, by the way, these acrylic ones come in a set. So it comes in a bunch of different sizes. This is the smallest one. There are these big ones as well. So you can really get in there and organize your drawers. We have a lot more decors. So the next thing are these blackout curtains, not the ones that you see behind me. These are actually from IKEA and they're quite expensive. I found another pair from Amazon. I bought one set to start off with, and then I ended up buying 1, 2, 3, four more sets for the rest of the house because I actually learned this a little bit late, but as a content creator, I feel like it's really important to have blackout curtains because when you're using artificial light, it's nice to kind of obstruct the light that is coming from outside, especially if you're shooting during the day. So I did not have blackout curtains and I invested in them from Amazon. They're actually quite affordable for the quality that I have. I bought my first pair in January and now we're sitting in November. So they've lasted me the entire year. They look as new. Another thing that I love about these curtains is that these are almost anti-crease. Hate curtains that you need to like steam or iron because who has the time to iron curtains, right? So yeah, not only are they functional, great quality, affordable, comes in a lot of colors as well. I'm a huge fan of the boho aesthetic and I found the most stunning boho macrame piece. It's a huge piece and it's hanging in one of our rooms and it just looks stunning. Very well made, great quality, and for the size, the price I feel like is justified. The cozy months are here and I love me a good cozy blanket. Even though I'm from Mumbai, we don't really have anything that is known as winter, right? But I like to have my delusional winter aesthetic. I'm a little delulu like that, but I like to feel cozy and I like to wear my sweaters and my blankets. So I actually found this one blanket which is like the softest, the furriest blanket from Amazon, of course, and it's in this gorgeous nude color. I actually keep it in my car because बहुत ठंडी लगती है AC में, and I love to like wrap myself up in that blanket while driving. It's really weird, but it just makes me feel very, very cozy. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I think the very last decor piece has to be this full length mirror that I got from Amazon. So I actually was looking for a cheap-ish mirror that I could use and keep in my bedroom because I did not want to spend too much money on this huge mirror. And I found one on Amazon. The height is perfect. It's not a very wide mirror, so bear that in mind. But it's not like very skinny either. Like it's a good size. Affordable, अच्छी quality है. I like the dome shape. I like the gold metallic edge around it. It's nice. Okay, so in this right here, I have my very own essential oil collection. I got this one set, which is from this brand called Parag essential oils. Wait, I can look it up. It's literally right here. Yeah, it's called Parag Fragrance Aroma Essential Oil. And these are a bunch of different essential oils. I didn't want to show you guys because it's kind of messy. I need to like organize these. But there are so many flavors in this one set. I'm going to share my favorite. I actually have been really loving lavender, surprisingly. I used to never really be a lavender person, but I think it smells insane. This one's lavender right here. Smells so good. I really like eucalyptus also. Oh my god. Basically, my point is that these come in a bunch of different fragrances. The reason why I'm talking about these is because I have been seeing so many reels about how perfumes are so bad for your hormones. In general, body lotions are also so bad for you. I don't know. I need to do my own research, but it just made me think, why not switch to essential oils, because they're supposed to be safer for you, quote unquote, safer for you, even candles for that matter. So I have been using essential oils more often, whether it's to use it almost like a perfume or to kind of use it in a diffuser to make my room smell good instead of a candle. I'm not saying that I'm gonna switch to not using candles, not using perfumes, but I feel like every now and then I could go in and use these, and it's a really fun DIY project. You can mix your own fragrances, make your own custom oil. I think it's nice to have these. And yeah, this brand I've been using for a while, and I actually even checked with ChatGPT about how good the quality of these are, and ChatGPT approves. Okay, how can I make an Amazon favorite video and not talk about sippers? And these are just few of the sippers that we have. I actually love gifting sippers. Like our entire team has one sipper each in the studio, and I think it makes for a great gift. Amazon has the most insane collection of these sippers. I'll actually tell you the brand that I always buy from. It's called House of Quirk, and it's actually such a quirky brand. Not only do they have solids, so lots of colors for you to choose from, but they have prints. I love this print right here. It's a gift that I've given recently, and I just think it's so fun. I feel like you can pick out a sipper for someone according to their personality, and it would make for a great gift. I said that for the third time, but I really believe in sippers. Nothing makes me drink water like a sipper. Like I refill this, I think twice a day. So I drink 3 of these. I'm not sure kitne liter ka. I'll pop it up on the screen, but basically it's increased my water consumption. And whenever I don't have these on me, I don't drink as much water. That's a fact. Another thing that I feel like I've spoken about before are these water flossers from Perfora. If you've never used a water flosser in your life, just trust me when I say it, you're missing out. Your teeth are missing out. Your teeth are gonna feel so clean after using this. I use this every single night after I'm done brushing my teeth, and you're really gonna be shocked because brushing is good for your teeth, obviously, but flossing is like taking it to another level, because brush करने के बाद भी जो कचरा आपके मुंह से निकलता है, food particles निकलते हैं, it's so shocking. I have one, Aditya has one. I literally bought one for my mom and dad, and I think it's such a great investment for your oral hygiene, for your oral health. Just get one. Trust me. ये actually मैंने बहुत साल पहले review किया था मेरे channel पे, and I did not understand how to use it, which is why मैंने बहुत ही okay review दिया था. But ever since I've like figured out how to use it, there's no going back. We literally even travel with this bulky thing. Okay, we've basically come towards the end of today's video. The last few things that we have are cookware, kitchenware. I absolutely love buying things for the kitchen. So the first one is kind of a boring one. They're these dabbas. So you guys have seen me using these dabbas so many times. ये वाले इन पर्टिकुलर का भी लिंक मैं नीचे छोड़ दूंगी, बट आई हैव बीन कॉन्शियसली ट्राइंग टू kind of take a step back from plastic. So I found an alternative to these which look like these. So from the inside they're made of stainless steel, and again they have those compartments, so it's great for you to not only pack a snack for yourself, you can also use this to meal prep, you can use this for storage, you can use it however you want. But these are honestly so useful and I use these all the time, you guys know that. Another thing that I have been loving is this noodle maker. So essentially you can use this on things like a zucchini, a carrot, to make noodles, or zoodles if you're making zucchini noodles, or koodles if you're making carrot noodles. I actually do make a lot of zoodles and I love the way it tastes. I am for the most part not consuming carbs, so every now and then I obviously have a craving for like noodles, right? That's when I use this noodle maker, and it's such good quality. I recommend you try it out. I'll also, by the way, leave my zoodle recipe. It's so delicious. Okay, I love this product right here. It's a very aesthetic knife set. So it comes with this knife right here. बहुत ही pretty. I love the white with the wood. And we have this one, छोटू वाला. And then it also comes with a scissor. Scissor की quality okay है honestly. The knives on its own are very nice. ये भी जो है case इसका बहुत ही pretty है दिखने में, but it's like very plasticky. I will be honest about that. It's not like a heavy weight, heavy duty case, but it looks very pretty. And what's important is that the knives are good quality. So I wanted to share it with you guys. This is what I have been using. Our very last product is very, very heavy. I have this pot right here, and we have this pan right here. It's from this brand which is called Cumin. I actually own a few more pieces from this very brand. I'm just gonna put this aside because it's extremely heavy, and that's because it's cast iron. So as I mentioned, I have kind of taken a step back from using plastic, especially in the kitchen. I have done the same for aluminium and non-stick. So the replacements for that are obviously stainless steel. That's great. Oh, I also love this brand which is called Stahl. They do amazing stainless steel ware, cookware. And for cast iron, I love this brand which is called Cumin, which I just showed you. And obviously the fact that it's so aesthetic, that helps. Now, I have actually done my research when it comes to cast iron, because not only did I ask ChatGPT, I like shortlisted like 5 different brands from Amazon, asked ChatGPT which was the best one. ChatGPT told me that Cumin was the best one. And then after that, I also got it checked from my mom, because my mom understands a lot of these things. She's a scientist, so she understands the science behind all of these products, right? So she told me that this is safe to use, and cast iron is actually really great for you. It's just a little tricky when it comes to using it, because चीजें चिपक सकती है बहुत ही easily उस पे. But I'm personally okay with that, because I would rather struggle with like खाना जो चिपक जाता है, या फिर a very uneven looking omelette, rather than eating things that have a lot of different things that I don't want to put in my body, essentially. By the way, I do want to state that this brand Cumin is not cheap. It's not an affordable brand. So I've picked up like 4 pieces from them, and I've been using them. Abhi tak so far so good. By the way, iska packaging was premium. It also came with like its own scrubber sponge that you're supposed to use to wash this. So it's a very premium brand for sure, and I can feel that like when I use it, it's amazing to use. But I feel like it's an investment for sure, but I feel like it's worthwhile. Okay, and with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the 25 products that I shared with you guys. Of course, everything's going to be linked down below, so go check it out for yourself. I am going to be sharing with you guys another favorites video, but that will be probably in the end of December. I do this yearly favorites video, so stay tuned for that, because there are of course a lot of products that I have loved and used this year. Again, another reminder, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. Share my channel with your friends and family if you think that they're gonna enjoy it. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Mridul and Aditya. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle, because our planner is coming very, very soon. In case it's already out, it's gonna be linked down below. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.